Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a generic 4K professional quadcopter drone that promises some impressive features for its class. This particular model comes in a sleek gray finish and is marketed as being beginner-friendly, which is always a good sign for those just getting into the hobby. One of the headline features is the camera. It's advertised as a 4K UHD camera designed to capture detailed footage. However, it's important to note that the listed video capture resolution is 1080p, while it can take 12 megapixel still photos. So, while the sensor might be capable of 4K, the video output appears to be full HD. To help keep that footage smooth, it's equipped with a 2-axis stabilization system. This is crucial for getting stable, crystal clear shots, especially when you're flying around and making movements. Flight time is another key area, and this drone boasts up to 30 minutes in the air. This is powered by a 2,250 mAh battery, which is quite generous and allows for extended flying sessions, whether you're exploring a new area or we're trying to get that perfect shot. A longer flight time means less time swapping batteries and more time actually flying. The range is also quite substantial, allowing you to fly with confidence up to a distance of 2 kilometers. This gives you a lot of freedom to explore further and capture vistas that are beyond the reach of shorter-range drones. Being able to fly that far out and still maintain control and video feed is a significant advantage. Speaking of video feed, the drone offers real-time, high-definition video transmission. This means you get a live view from the drone's camera on your connected device without significant delay, making the flying experience more immersive and allowing for precise framing of your shots. This real-time feedback is essential for both navigation and photography videography. Beyond the core specs, it's highlighted as being app-controlled, which is standard for most modern drones and provides an intuitive way to manage settings, view the live feed, and control the flight. The combination of beginner-friendly features, decent flight time, and a good range makes this generic 4K quadcopter an interesting option for adults looking to get into drone flying or upgrade from a very basic model, keeping in mind the actual video resolution output. It seems designed for exploration and capturing moments from a new perspective.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.